Friends, welcome back to my channel. When we have thermostat switch, it is installed in electric kettle, water jug, heater jug. We turn it on, the water starts boiling. Its bimetallic plate is not tripping off this switch. What is the reason? This is question from my viewer. The metal strip does not function when water boils. What can be the causes? This thermostat switch, it works like a simple switch. When we turn it on, turn it off, and it have an other additional feature here. It is normally open switch. When we will press, it will turn on, it will close. At a specific temperature, this bimetallic plate will open this switch. How it will open? I connected continuity meter to this switch. Now I will turn it on. Now it is powered on. If we see, this bimetallic plate have no action on its on or off condition. Just only we can see under this bimetallic plate there is a plunger that is moving up or down. When it is turned on, the plunger is in outward condition. Now when it will receive heat, its plate is now pressed in. When it is pressed in, it presses the lever and the lever causes to turn off this switch. It will trip. When the temperature will return back to normal, this plate will come outside again. Yes. Now I turned it on again. Physically, this thermostat switch is installed in the top side of the jug, in the handle. When water will start boiling, it will build steam. That steam will reach here and temperature of this area will increase. There are small holes near the lid, or there is special hole for steam to reach here. If steam is not reaching here, that duct, that hole is choked, it will not trip. This is the first condition. Sometimes there is some dust and proper steam will not reach here and it will not trip off. This is one condition. The second condition, when we are using this jug in humid area, in humidity, or we are using to boil salty water, at that time some chemical deposits will reach here and these will cause to choke this plunger. When it is stuck, it will not move. It will not trip the breaker. If it has some layer of any type of material here, we can clean it. At that time, it works normally. Sometime the piece of fiber, this one, gets damaged. Why? Because there is sparking in the switch. Inside, the contact starts sparking, starts heating up. At that time, this lever is damaged from the front side and it don't have enough length that can operate the switch to trip off. In that situation, we need to replace this thermostat switch. It must pressed in and it must turn off the breaker. Normally when we press this bimetallic plate manually, from here it will trip off. This is good working condition. And in some conditions, if this bimetallic plate is damaged, sometime it have corrosion, in that situation it will not change its position, this one. If the stream duct is closed, choked, we can clean it. If it have some chemical deposits here, we can clean it. If this bimetallic plate is damaged at that time, maybe we can take from any other switch, any other thermostat, and we can replace it. And if it have internal switch structure damaged, that time we need to replace this thermostat switch. So these are the possibilities when this thermostat switch is not working. It is easily available. We can purchase it and we can replace it easily. If this video is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.